Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of mixtures and how we can separate them. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira. So, do you know what a mixture is?
Is it when you mix things together, like when I mix my paints?
Exactly. A mixture is when two or more things are combined, but they don't change into something new. Just like your paints, each color stays the same even when mixed. Now, let's think like a scientist. If you had a bowl of mixed beans, how would you separate them?
I could use my hands to pick them apart, but that might take a long time.
Great thinking. Picking them by hand works, but it's slow. Scientists use special tools to make it faster. Have you heard of a sieve?
I think so, but I'm not sure what it does.
A sieve is like a magic tool with tiny holes. It lets small things, like sand, fall through, while keeping bigger things, like beans, on top. Can you imagine how that works?
Oh, like when I use a strainer to get pasta out of water?
Exactly. Now, let's talk about another tool, a magnet. Do you know what a magnet does?
It sticks to the fridge. But how does it help with mixtures?
Great observation. Magnets attract metals. So if you have a mixture of sand and paperclips, a magnet can pull out the paperclips. Isn't that cool?
Wow, that's like magic. What about sand and rice? How would I separate those?
Good question. You could use a sieve for that too. The sand would fall through the holes, leaving the rice behind. Can you picture that?
Yes, I can. It's like a puzzle, figuring out which tool to use.
Exactly. And that's what makes science so much fun. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. Can you tell me what a mixture is and how we can separate it?
A mixture is when things are mixed together but stay the same. We can use tools like sieves and magnets to separate them.
Perfect. You're becoming quite the scientist. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.